Add 1 tablespoon oil in boiling water. Boil 1½ cups of pasta. Drain water out and keep it aside. On medium flame, add oil, onion, and ginger. Cook until onion turns soft and turns translucent in parts. Add 2 chopped tomatoes and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add spinach leaves, mix and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on closed lid. Add coriander powder, turmeric, red chili powder and salt. Mix spices. Turn off gas and let it cool down a bit. Blend all ingredients well to a smooth paste. Turn up the flame to medium-low. Add a half cup of milk. Mix well and let it come to a simmer. Add shredded paneer and boiled pasta. Mix all the ingredients well. Transfer the pasta in a glass bowl. Keep rack in the pan on low flame. Put pasta glass bowl back into the pan. Put 4 cheese slices on top. Close lid and let cheese melt. Optional, bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes. Baked palak paneer pasta is ready. If you like this recipe video, smash the like button. For more recipes, subscribe Flavors Family.